Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Combo Sportive 2001.3 CDTI 16-valve, 90 PS, L1H1 needs turbo no VAT. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 135600. MOT, the 12th of December 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Engine starts and sound perfect. Straightforward simple turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.